Chapter 8 Tribal Communities. You already know that Indian society was divided into distinct castes by the caste system. With the passage of time, many subcastes also emerged in society. People like carpenters, goldsmiths, weavers formed their distinct subcastes. People belonging to a particular caste or subcaste formed their own close-knit group. Apart from these castes and subcastes, there was another group of people isolated from the mainstream of society. This group is known as tribal group.
Occupations of the tribal people.
The tribal people were engaged in agriculture, herding and hunting and gathering. They were dependent on the natural resources of the region they lived in. Some tribes settled down in an area permanently, while others led a nomadic lifestyle and moved from one place to another. Important tribal groups. Each tribal group had its own distinct customs, beliefs, and lifestyle. Some groups were small, some were very large and powerful and controlled a lot of territory. In the northwest, the Baluchi tribe was powerful. In Punjab, the Khokhars and the Ghakkars were the main tribes. In the western parts were the Bhils and the Kolis. In central India, the Gonds controlled large territories. Towards the east, the Cheros, Mundas, Santals, Khasis, Nagas and Ahoms were the main tribal groups. The Todas, Koragas, Marwars, Badagas and Vettars were the main tribes in the south. Life of the tribal groups. Tribal groups generally led a nomadic life. They moved from one place to another in search of food and pasture for their animals. They exchanged milk, honey, wool, ghee, and so on with the settled agriculturists for grain and various other products. Changing nature of tribal society. With the passage of time, tribal groups came in contact with outsiders. It influenced their lifestyle greatly. They began to lead a settled life and used better methods of agriculture. Many tribal customs, ceremonies, and gods also became part of the existing culture. During the medieval period, some tribes became dominant. Those that controlled the key trade routes and forest resources became very powerful.